Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can join Telegram group with expired link. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, go ahead, access the Telegram app, make sure you're logged in, and let's say you have received a particular link from this chat, and when you tap on that link you should be able to redirect it to in video file, a group, a chat, whatever that link intended to. But let's say the link has expired, so usually there might have been some times when you tapped on an expired link and you still got the address or where you're supposed to reach with that link. But as of 2024, it usually requires you to get the updated link with the updated date or entirely new link. If it is expired, we cannot reach that group or the video or anything that link is supposed to give you the purpose of. So what you need to do is you simply have to request a new link. You can simply type a message and ask for a new link right from the admin. And or what you can do is you can simply start searching online directories for updated invites about that particular event, if it's for an event or if it's for a group. Simply search with the keywords that you can find through the link or the where you heard about what it is about, and you can start getting some groups and you can request them for the new link as well. So if it is entirely private group or event, then you have to simply request a new link from the admin itself. That is the only option available. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.